Hi, OCD Dia here. I would like to share you with a very amazing, I wouldn't say hack, I would say it's like a great service tip on the servicing of a previously neglected headset. So this headset is there are bearings sandwiched between these parts, and there are two of these bearings here and over here. So if they are not taken care of, over time they become very stiff like this. You can hear it. Look at that, very stiff, and this adds up to make it feel kind of weird. Okay, so usually you have to remove everything to rebuild this. It would take maybe 30 minutes, but here I found a great hack. So all you need to do is to flip it over and find some kind of a chain and a cardboard lubricant. And all you need to do is to squeeze some of these over here and then over here. You need to flip it over. Since this part is kind of covered, right, from this direction. And then you add a little bit of this lubricant, and then you clean it, and then you turn it. Wow, that's a lot better already. If you feel that it's not good enough, you can use a more tacky lubricant like this. It is called fluid film. I love this. It's non-toxic, it penetrates and it lubricates, and it prevents rusts. So the same thing, you open up a little bit of this over here, open up a seal a little bit, and you try to squeeze it in. Found some from the top too. Found it from here. Turn it around. A bit more. Do this. A lot of this lubricant will get in. Just turn around. Get it in from like that. And then you try it again. Okay, that's better. So that's the great hack for you.